a quick one. And then go find Christian and foul him.
But with the way he runs like that, it's hard to foul him.
Irons it, rebound Lassiter. And stolen by Standhardinger, who's going all the way to the cup for two. Aguilar spins, uses the glass, no good, but C stands there to turn the negative, collects the ball.
They've really done a great job on Ginebra, both of these twin towers of Ginebra.
Jabit scoring there.
This guy has gone through 2 ACL injuries, and yeah, he definitely worked on that more. Yeah, the three-pointer of LA.
Stops on a dime. No white shirts.
no,
You don't want any part of that.
he's a great athlete. Look what he's been doing tonight. He's you know, just tough as nails. Goes hard all the time. Always around the basket.
C-Stan attacks. C-Stan absorbs the contact of Ginebra and finishes. Oh, it's Scotty against Simon and Ciso. Scotty to C-Stan. Nice pass from Scotty.
Trying to shoot.
Oh yeah.
But all the more after nung ginawa niya against TNT, Standhardinger barrels through.
Ginawa ni Don against 3-3 kanyang po. Pero
Here's Tenorio. Over to C-Stan. C-Stan, tough shot. Gets the lucky roll to fall. Make it look good, I have to say. Perez from downtown, no good. Rebound goes to Fajardo, but it looks like
you begin to miss Terence Romeo.
C-Stan picks the pocket of Marshall Lassiter. It's a beautiful find here for Scotty Thompson. As if he was looking for C-Stan the entire way when he was attacking.
That's right. and if I'm LA, it's like I've been scoring more than you in this game.
A little shove there on Standhardinger.